When I was 7 years old, at my mosque, they would do something called a Ramadan fasting challenge. Every single day that you did a full day or a half day fast during the month of Ramadan, your name was entered into a hat. And on the day of Eid, they would take all the names and they would pick out winners to get special gifts. I had done 11 half-day fasts. On the day of Eid, Imam, the leader of the masjid, goes up to the front. He puts his hand into the hat. He mixes up all the names. He pulls out one name. He opens it up and he says, Amin Asr. I jumped up. I went to the front of the masjid. He hands me a black box. First, I try opening it up. Nothing. Then I try shaking it. Doesn't sound like anything's inside. Then I try knocking on it, and it sounds like it's hollow. Are you serious? Did the masjid really give me a black box? Just as I was beginning to worry, my friend Ahmad comes. He looks at my black box and he says, Amin, I'll trade you. I say, what? He says, Amin, I will trade you my bundle of books for your black box. I look at the books and I look at the box. I said, okay, fine, deal. But then he says, Amin, no trade backs. I say, sure. I take the books and I begin to read them and I'm laughing and I'm giggling. Then, out of the corner of my eyes, I see Ahmad. And he is smiling from ear to ear. Inside, there was a silver watch. That day, I learned a very important lesson. Sometimes, there are things in life that are like a black box. On the outside, we don't really understand what is it? What is its purpose? But when we figure out how to open it and see the beauty of what's inside, it changes our life. And the truth is, there's many things in my life that have felt like the black box. One of them has been the Quran. As a kid, my mom and dad would always tell me to read it. Read the Quran, read the Quran, read the Quran. But it wasn't until I was able to actually open it up and see its beauty that I began to appreciate it.